Hello friends, welcome back to Sneak Peek with Ash. So today I'm sharing how we celebrated Ganpati, the Ganesh Utsav at my place. So we'll start with the decoration. आप सब देख सकते हो कि this is the small little place we kept for our Ganpati, and this is a little bit of decoration whatever we could do. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट. बस छोटा सा डेकोरेशन है बिकॉज अ गणपति इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी स्मॉल. सो यस, अ स्मॉल आसन फॉर हिम. एंड ये देखिए हमने कैसे यहाँ पे गणपति की पूजा हो चुकी है एंड हमने उनको हार एंड जो भी उनके वस्त्र है वो सब पहना दिया है. सो प्रसाद भी रखा हुआ है, मोदक. एंड यस, वी हैव लाइक decorated him the best possible way. All his ornaments, these are silver ornaments which we have made for Ganpati ji. And yes, so this is the way he looked on the day one. And after the puja, so this was the prasad we offered. पूजा के बाद जो भी प्रसादम था, जो घर का खाना था, वो ऑफ़र किया है आरती के बाद. एंड यस, बप्पाज फेवरेट मोदक भी है, घर के मोदक एंड दी स्वीट पेड़ा का मोदक भी है. सो यस, एंड आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी ऑन द गणेश चतुर्थी डे. वेरी हैप्पी. एंड जो भी किया दिल से किया. So like I'm really very excited for this 10 days of the year of Ganesh Utsav. It brings immense positivity and happiness to the heart, doing everything, small little things every day. And yes, Bappa हमारे घर आए हैं 10 दिनों के लिए, so we have to take care of him in the best possible way. So this is our little effort which we can do in our own way to keep him happy. Photo time. So yeah, after the puja and aarti, we clicked some photos. So just sharing this few I have shared on Instagram, and few I'm sharing here. You can just have a look at them. And yes, Bappa's photo is also there. सो कुछ प्रसाद जो मैंने बनाए थे, सो आई एम शेयरिंग दोज स्नैप्स ऑफ देम. सो दिस वॉज ड्राई फ्रूट लड्डू, वेरी सिंपल रेसिपी. जो भी ड्राई फ्रूट्स है वो सब मिक्स करने के एंड जस्ट मेक लड्डू ऑफ इट. योर वी हैव यूज्ड कोकोनट, खजूर एंड kaju badam. So these dry fruits are used, and then we have made the laddus. So yeah, it's very easy recipe, and we have offered as prasadam to Bappa. So बहुत अच्छा लगा कुछ बना के मीठा. तो 10 दिन we every day we make sweets for Papa, and इसकी वजह से हम भी बहुत सारा मीठा खाते हैं 10 दिन. सो या विच इज़ नॉट गुड, बट ठीक है, 10 दिन we have to make sweets and offer to Papa, and then we can also eat it. And I like decorating these prasad in plates, and yeah, I get happiness by doing small little things So this second one is the Oreo modak. So I had seen a recipe of this on YouTube, and then I thought like, why shouldn't I try this? And yeah, when I tried it, I was very nervous, like hoga ki nahi, but it turned out absolutely well. And yes, so पापा का प्रसाद था तो अच्छा बनना ही था. Yes, I did it, and it was fun because घर पे कोई नहीं था, and then I just tried to make this on my own without anyone's help, and this is the way it looked. I didn't had that mold, the modak mold, so I made it with hand, but it was for trial and basis, so I was satisfied that okay, prasad to ban gaya, no matter how much good it is or not. The main thing is I did it with all my heart, and then yes, it had to be sweet. So yo, I have offered it to Bappa. So this was the Satyanarayan Puja which we did on the 5th day. And here I clicked some more pictures. So here came the last day, the Visarjan day, which was very heavy and hard. Like literally, I feel like crying from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, I do cry, but I don't show it because yes, we don't have to like cry and uh, let go of Papa. So we have to be happy. So this was the celebration in my apartment because we had this building ka Ganpati bhi. And yeah, this was the Visarjan family picture. This is my brother. And here I was doing the last puja जो मैंने पप्पा का किया. I was very emotional, but okay, till then I had settled down and I was happy that all the 10 days were the best days. I enjoyed a lot, and this was again some celebration like Ganpati, building का Ganpati का विसर्जन बाकी था. So they were like dancing, and the most important thing was all the like members participated in this, right from each and every person participated, and yes, it was too much of fun. These people who are all working professionals, the women as well as the men, they don't get time like for a social gathering in the building or anything like that, but this year they decided to do it because last year due to corona we weren't able to celebrate it on a social level. So this year it was celebrated with full entire zeal and enthusiasm, and yes, you can see how happy everyone is. They are enjoying the dance and the music. Whatever happiness they are getting from this can be reflected from their faces. So this festival brings a tremendous joy and happiness because you can't explain it in words, you have to feel that. And when you start feeling it, you will get to know the power of what devotion is, what loving God is, because He's the one who has created us, and we are just a part of Him as in a form of humans. So we need to understand this. And after this we had a dinner, like a get together sort of thing, like all the members from the respective apartments had gathered on the terrace, and we had an amazing dinner night. So it was all lot of fun, happiness, laughter, and sharing each other's experiences. So this was the last day of the festival, which was celebrated with entire zeal and enthusiasm. The last few clicks of these women, they had a theme of red which they dedicatedly followed. And here I am again with Bappa. So this was bidding adieu to Bappa so that he comes again next year. Ganpati Bappa Moria. So if you like the video, do subscribe to Sneak Peek with Ash. Like it, share it, comment, and yeah, take care. Be positive, be happy. Take care. Bye bye.